Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be just from XIAOMI browser. So you need to download it, don't have to open it, and go into Settings. Then scroll down and select Apps over here. Following that, you need to choose Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Default Apps, tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser, and tap on the preferred one, in my case, Mi Browser. Now when I go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!